Hey guys, as promised, it's time for my Shein haul video. I got a bunch of stuff. We're gonna go through it and see what works and what doesn't. First things first, this was really cool and it was like $2. It's a 3D art brush with a giant diamond on the end. I thought it was really cute and the end like screws off. So I'm just gonna test this out real quick before we do the other stuff just so I can see how it works. Pretty sure it's nylon, but for 3D art brushes it doesn't really matter. So I just want to see how well it works and then we will move on to the rest of the stuff. I got a whole table full of crap here. I went a little nuts because I was curious to see, you know, if it was decent product or if it was like Wish or, you know, you can get some good stuff off Wish. So I figured I'd see what was worth it and what wasn't, you know. So let's do this. Drain that. Yeah, the brush is nylon, which, okay, I'm okay with that. Because it's a 3D brush, and most of them are. So it's not going to be great for, like, little detail work, but, it's not awful. And like I said, it was like $2, so whatever. Probably should have dried my bead out a little bit more, but I didn't, so. But yeah. It works. It'll work for the bigger stuff, you know, maybe bows and stuff. I wouldn't try it for like super small stuff. But yeah. It is really cute though. Well, it doesn't work great, but it works. So on the second bead it didn't do as well. But again, I'm not a big 3D person, so someone else could probably do much better with this than I can. Yeah, it's okay. I'd give it a B, you know. Maybe a C, but not awful. So we'll go ahead and let that dry. Alright, moving on. So, I kind of got a little bit of everything, because like I said, I wanted to see what was usable and what wasn't. So first things, I got these. These are buffers. I usually use the buffing blocks, but these have a really fine side and a slightly coarser side. I thought they'd give me maybe a little more control, and I have used them because I kind of broke into this stuff because I couldn't wait, and they do work pretty well. So I think it was like $5 for $1. You know, nothing outrageous there. Let's see. So this is funny. I got these. They were like $2. I thought they were nail polish pins, and they are not. I was super excited, and I was so wrong. They are nail polish remover pins, and they come with a bunch of extra tips in the bottom. So what you do is you pull this out, you put your acetone or nail polish in there, and then you use it to do like to remove nail polish around here or in detail areas, and then you swap the tip out when it gets dirty. And it came in a pack of 5, and it wasn't very expensive, so I probably should have known better. I wasn't paying attention. That's on me. So, next, I got this big pack of glitters. There were 6 in it. I want to say 6? I believe there were 6. Let me double check. Oh, sorry, there were 8. I sent some to some lovely young ladies. But I've used these before, and they are awesome. They're very bright and colorful under acrylic. They look like fire. They almost glow. So they're pretty cool. And it came with lots of colors. There was a green and something else, and gold, I think. And that white is really cool. So I think these were like $3, something like that. Totally worth it. I love them. Yeah, totally worth it for the glitters alone. I did get expedited shipping to get it here, and it took about a week. So, not awful. I'll take it. Okay, so I thought this was super cute. It's one of those, it's for doing polish, like art, nail art. You know how people use the little resin stone or whatever? Well, this makes it a little more accessible, so you can just have it on your finger and do it that way instead of using the little stone to mix it up, which I thought was kind of cute, and it was like $1, so whatever. I like it. Okay, so I got some plastic tips. I think these were a little more though. I want to say they were like $5 for these. And they're really thin. They're not super great quality, but they're okay. Like, I got them just to do like demonstrations and nail art stuff, so I don't really need them to be super tough. So, whatever. But yeah, that's definitely like a Wish product. So what's next? Oh, I got these really cool decals. They are water slides. They're anime eyes and like different Japanese writing, which I thought were really cool. And these were $1 as well. Let's see. Oh, I'm saving the best stuff for last. This box of foils was like $5. I want to say $5, yeah. So they're all camo, but it's different. It's made out of different things. Like this one is fish. There's butterflies. This one says girl power in the camo. This one has stars. This one has some chains. Like, they're really cute. So that was cool. Definitely worth the $5. This is my favorite. These are glow in the dark like glitters, but there's like moons and stars and hearts and, you know, hexagons, and they're like the little glow in the dark stars that you put in your bedroom. But you put them in acrylic or whatever. And they glow pretty wicked. Like, let me charge them up for a second because they were pretty bright. Yeah, they're still glowing from being in the lamp for just a second. So these were really cute. I kind of want to do some like astrology nails now that those are here. I've been very excited to use those. Okay, 2 more things and then we're finished, and then I will explain why I'm showing this. So this is a soak-off bowl. This is actually pretty handy, and I think it was like $2 as well. So what this is, so when you're soaking off acrylic or gel or whatever, you put your acetone in here and you fill up this bowl with warm water, and then you put it back on there. Put your acetone in here and you soak it this way. And what that warm water does is make the acetone work faster. It makes the acrylic or gel loosen up faster. So definitely worth the couple bucks. This was, whatever it was. Pretty handy, especially because I am awful at removal. I take forever. I hate it. So it makes me like slower to do my nails because I don't want to take the old ones off. These actually were very inexpensive and they look to be like super great quality. These are, you know, liner brushes. Let me grab some paint here. So these are liner brushes. And I've been having trouble because I can't draw a straight line. So the liner brushes I had were cheap and I just couldn't do a good job with them. So I'm hoping that these will help me get a handle on my art, because I'm not great at it. And these are super, super thin. So, like, they're very, very thin. There's just a couple hairs in there. So I was hoping that would help. So, yeah, they're pretty effective. I mean, as far as you can only help me so much, though. But yeah, very thin lines, good control. They're not like wobbling all over the place. So, and these were only, I think, $3 for the 3 of them. And they're pretty. Like, they're super pretty. The rose gold. I like them. So anyway, that was my Shein haul. I think I got like some bags of swatch sticks and things like that too. But they weren't included in this because they're not included in this next part. So everything you saw today, I got doubles of. Let me show you. I got doubles of everything, not open, that we are going to be doing a giveaway again. So, in the comments, let's see, how are we going to do this one? If you want to be entered, in the comments, tell me what your favorite form of nail art is, whether, you know, it be decals, water slides, hand painting, whatever. Tell me what your favorite thing is, and I will enter you into the little spinny wheel to win everything that you saw here today. And I will announce the winner on the next video, because you guys have been awesome and you've been so supportive, and I just love you guys. It's awesome. And I'm having a lot of fun doing this, and you guys make it possible. And you've been giving me ideas and yada yada, so I'm going to be doing this a lot. So yes, comment your favorite form of nail art, and I will enter you in the little spinny wheel thingy and announce it on the next video. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching.